This is Soccer for Beginners.
We are teaching offense, defense, and goalie.
We are going to explain defense first. There are 4 types of defenders: the center back, the sweeper, the fullback, and the wingback. Grace is going to explain the fullback.
So when you're playing fullback, your coach might say get full side. What does full side mean? So that is where if the offensive player is dribbling at you, you want to use not the ball so they can't score. Because if they score, then you have a chance to lose. So you don't want that to happen.
Forward.
So if you have possession with your defense, you want to dribble to the outside. If you dribble to the middle, there's most likely going to be a player there and they have a good shot to hit. So when you're dribbling to the outside, as soon as you get there and you have no one pressure on you, you want to boot it across the field, but as soon as you boot it, make sure someone's right there. So like don't just kick it. But if there's someone right in front of you, like the offensive player, you can just kick it lightly to them. But like if they're coming across the field, then yes, you gotta kick it hard. Another skill that you might need to know when you play defense is how to do a pullback. So a pullback is how it sounds. You pull the ball back very quickly. So if you're facing this way and the ball's right here and you get possession, all you gotta do is pull back, dribble with the ball, and then get rid of it.
If you're a defender, you might also need to know how to throw.
Yeah, so if the ball is out of bounds, you're gonna need to know how to throw the ball back in. So we're gonna pretend this is the out of bounds side. So how you do it back in is you have to have your hands all the way behind. You can't go like this, all the way behind. Your feet have to stay down and you go in. Once you get good at that, there's another thing you can do where you drag your foot so you get momentum, but your feet has to stay down. So you can get a running start and then go.
Now we're going to explain how to play goalie.
Okay, so goalkeeper is actually in my opinion, one of the most fun positions. So you have to know a lot of skills for goalie, actually. So you have to know how to jump, you have to know how to dive, you have to know how to drop kick. But we're just going to do some basics today, and the first thing I'm going to explain is something that you need to know for goalie, which is the drop kick. So how you drop kick is, you're going to have the ball out in front of you like this, just like arm's length. Your foot should go up, but when you drop it, it's going to hit about right here in your foot, and that's where you want it to hit. Now, when you're doing this, it might go this way, it might just go straight up, it might hit this. It just depends. So you gotta, it's more like a guess and try. So if I do it this way, it went behind me. Do you know why? Because So what happened there is it hit right about there. You gotta hit it right here. So when you kick it, it goes over there. And remember, don't get frustrated if you don't get the first try, because I know I did not get my drop kick the first try. Remember, better be safe or sorry. Always use your hands when the ball's coming to you.
Now that you know a little bit about defense, now Brandon's going to help us explain some offense.
If you're on offense, you might need to know how to do something called a one-touch, which I'm going to show you how to do.
1.
But for beginners, it's called for a beginner, you do a two-touch.
So,
Another thing, the biggest thing about offense is you dribble the ball, and if you have an open field, then you can make sure that you can get it. So if you dribble, you want to keep it close to you, and then shoot.
so let's say I'm the middle player and Brent's the outsider.
The middle player passes it to the outside player, and the outside player shoots it. So Grace is going to be the middle player, and she's going to pass it to me. Since I'm the outside player, I shoot it. If you're an offensive player and you're in trouble, you can pass back to the defense player. So if you're over there and you're having trouble, I can just pass it to my defense player, and then she'll be in less trouble, and you have a better chance of scoring.
And you can pass it right back.
And just remember, if you're playing offense, your main thing is to get that ball in the goal so you can win that game.
Thanks for watching Soccer for Beginners.